Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Insider, and today we'll be doing a review of Lenovo Tab, Lenovo Xiaoxin Pad Pro 2022. It was released on 18th of August 2022, and let us begin with the review. The Lenovo Xiaoxin Pad Pro 2022 brand is Lenovo, as all know, as everyone knows. The brand and model is Xiaoxin Pad Pro 2022. Release date is 18th August 2022. As I said earlier, weight is 480 grams, dimension is 263.66 into 166.67 into 6.80. Battery capacity is 8200 mAh. Display.
Display screen size 11.20, the screen yes, resolution standards for 1536 into 2560 pixels. Hardware processor maker Snapdragon 870 SoC, RAM 8 GB, internal storage 12 GB. Now let's do camera and software.
When you go to the camera and software, rear camera is 13 megapixel, rear flash is yes, front camera is 8 megapixel, the software is Android 12, and skin is ZUI 14. And that's all with the review of this tab in the exterior view, and that's all.
Subscribing and supporting our channel. That's all. My name is Daniel.
My name is John. This is Tech Insider signing off. Bye bye.